Oh, wow. Another stream. It's time. It's time. It's time for the math one. It's time. It's time for math. Time to watch me struggle to do math in the AMs for my time zone. Let's see, what do we gotta put? I think I'll just pin, be like, ask me any questions if you have them. I don't know. I think what I have to do first though is finish the problems I had for last week. So it's time for that. Where were we even? Oh god. I don't think I'm gonna do all these. I think I learned what to do last time. So we ended on E. We got to do F and G. I'm thinking. How do we do this? You know what? No, I want to do it this way. And then... Is there an answer key in the book? Hang on. There is an answer key. Alright. Let's take a look. Let's see how we did with what we... You know what? We're just gonna grade what we did. I think that's good enough. Honestly. This is for fun anyways. Alright, we said... Hang on, let me... But it 1, 2, A, C, F. I mean, yeah, it is math. Hello, welcome. I'm teaching myself differential equations using an old book. Yes, it is exactly what the stream title says. It's math. It's real math. It's, here, I even got a book. Ooh, fancy book. You think that's awful? Listen to the name of this book. It's the most old beige colored thing you can imagine. It's the size of a normal book. It's the size of a normal book, and it's called Elementary Differential Equations and Boundary Value Problems. Isn't that fun? Isn't that entertaining? Anyways, I'm just grading. I know, wild, right? What a strange mix. What a strange thing to be doing on Twitch. But that's what I'm doing here. That's what today's are. So that's what this day is for me. Yeah, I'm doing this willingly, by the way. I'm not punishing myself. I'm doing this because I want to. So welcome. Let's I'm just grading. I'm just kind of grading my own things right now. I did this last week. Let's see. We did this one, 1A. Alright, I think I got that one right. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna just do this. Okay. Got that one right. Second order linear. But yes, Plana, welcome in. Oh, you followed too. Hello. Welcome, welcome. Enjoy if you want to watch me teach myself. Where was I? Just grading my own things. Want to be second order non-linear. Got C. Fourth order linear. D. That we got that right. Got that right. Got that right. Wow. Alright, so last week I did successfully teach myself how to identify linear and nonlinear differential equations. Riveting, right? And then, let's see. The second part was just verifying solutions, which is essentially just, does 0 equal 0? Oh, wait. Oh, it's only the odd problems. Ah, okay. Well, at least I know how to identify them, and I'm pretty sure that the logic I did for these is good enough. I mean, yeah, we just kind of plugged it in. Alright, I think that's enough review of what I did last time. God, okay. I'm just extremely thirsty already. But here's where stuff is about to get real. We're upgrading from introduction, just classifying them. We're classifying differential equations, ordinary and partial that we learned last week. I can barely see. I'm looking at the stream. And then we learned linear and nonlinear as well. And then I assigned myself some homework that I didn't do, but I can just do it later. It's fine. This is for fun. But now we're moving on. Wow. Chapter 2. Let me just put this book down. Oh god, I'm like flip-flopping all over the place. Alright, today... Oh god, that's way too bright. Fix, there we go. It is very important. Also, hello, good evening. Hello, Ducky. I'm happy you could make it. I'm not sure how far we're gonna get into this part. Honestly, because right now I'm exhausted. But we're gonna go. We'll see how long we go, and if I lose attention span, we'll switch over. Yeah, hi. All right, let's see. I hope your evening has been good, Ducky. Welcome. This is how I've been doing the math streams the past week. Well, I say that, but it's only last week I started doing it like this. Where am I gonna put this? I'll put it there for now. There we go. What? Y is equal to y equals a of x is equal to f. It's three different functions. We got the y function, a of x function, and the ft dt function, and we also have an implicit differential equation maybe in there. Oh, okay. There's some fancy. Oop. There's some fancy symbols there. I think instead of a of x, that is a. What, this one right in the middle here? That's phi of, oh, I think that's the Greek letter phi of x is equal to the integral of something to x, I think, of f of t dt plus a constant. I don't know what it's saying there because I haven't read too far ahead, but don't let the fancy stuff get ahead of you. I think right now we're just learning about linear equations. Which are like the most simple version of derivatives I've learned about so far. Which is just an equation your eyes are gone, you ripped them out. Well, I mean, you can listen, maybe you'll learn something. I don't know. It's up to you. Welcome back, Plana. Disinfecting. Very, very good, very good. Or cleaning. Gotta have a fresh slate to do whatever you need to do, right? Oh, slightly veinier. I can appreciate more wrinkles, but veins? Oh. Ooh. That's like isn't it like a stress thing if you got veins on your forehead? Oh, it's a good thing. Okay. Veins are an expressway for knowledge. Okay, okay. Well, let's get some more veins for everyone. Even me. And then, if you only need half a brain cell, Plana, well, either put it like on a shelf somewhere and like turn it around. Maybe put a bag over it so it can't see what's going on. Or just sit it down and expose it to whatever the hell's happening here. let me move out of the way. Ooh. I'm trying to read it on like the main. Like I have my own stream open. I'm trying to read it, but my big old head's in the way. Let me just move myself. Nah, it's chill. It's chill. I'm just teaching myself, so you can do whatever. But I hope you are entertained and fall asleep well. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm sure the jazz helps. I'm happy you guys have something to do the stream with, something to use the stream for. I'm happy. It makes me happy. Sleep away. Don't worry about me. Where was I? Two variables. I mean, that's the hope. I've always been had a thorough belief that anyone can learn math. So I really want to make sure. I want to let people know that I truly believe that anyone can learn any math. Well, maybe not any math, but like most of it at least. Oh, yeah, I can humor you for a sec. What's up? Yeah, that's like, I do identify as a femboy, yeah. I mean, let's see. You request my help? Oh, I can help. Well, possibly help. Oh, on your own path, I see. Well, I'm not an expert, but if you want to bounce some things off me, that is a-okay. I am on my own path myself. And I'm not even close to being done, so... I can certainly be a sounding board for you to bounce ideas off of, for sure. Ah, yes, so do I. I love those. They're great. Well, not so much right now for me, because it's so cold. Uh-huh. The clothing's good. Ah, hair. Well, in the case that the hair is short, there is many very flattering. Oh, well, I see. I see. Hair can definitely be a problem. For me, at least, it's winter right now, so it's very easy to, uh, it's very easy to cover up. Yeah, let's avoid more like explicit like talking about it. I appreciate that, but yeah, hair can definitely be a problem. Eggs and cottage cheese for an hour? Ooh. I mean, that's a lot of protein, isn't it? Well, for me personally, since I love to bundle up Plana, especially during the winter because I live in a colder area, uh, it just comes in waves. Sometimes I probably identify more on the spectrum of somewhere between uh, gender fluid or gender non-conforming, right? So for me, it just comes in waves. Sometimes I feel fine with the way I am. Other times I look at the hair on myself and I'm like, absolutely not. And I shave it. But for me, I use kind of normal razors sometimes. But usually when I do, it's usually in the places that are most visible. I personally love shaving the thigh gap. I love it. I love that being clear. But when I wear like thick tights or thigh highs, you can't really see anything in there, so I just kind of don't worry about it too much. But there are other methods because hair, for some of us, can be a losing battle for sure. Oh, well, what type of razor? I mean, I think each person has their own uh, preference. I simply use the same razor I've been shaving with like all my life. Just because I already have a system where I get them in kind of more bulk. Just kind of like regular Gillette razors and stuff. The things that my dad taught me how to use way back. Uh, as long as you properly exfoliate, right? And clean, it should be fine. No matter what you use. Well, I can't say that for sure, but at least in my experience. Oh, that's good, yeah. It can be very freeing as well. No, Ducky, I haven't used one razor all my life. Well, you see, the hair doesn't grow that fast unless you're like a literal werewolf, which I don't think anyone is an actual werewolf. I don't think things are that fancy. I don't think the world is that cool. I wish it was. But if you were probably following other guides and doing what they suggested by shaving with the grain, there is always going to be a little bit of that left over. Yep, I feel that. Listen, I am definitely a fellow. The way I see it. Here, let me just. I feel like I'm a kindred spirit because the way I feel like I sometimes am a literal like Play-Doh extruder, like the old toys, where you just kind of have. Like a little Play-Doh toy, and you like put a little ball of Play-Doh in there, and you'd push it down, and it just kind of extrude like stuff all over the place. Yeah, that's how I feel, and that's constant. And let's delete that. Oh yeah, keep going. Oh, okay. Well, as for dating advice, personally, I cannot say. I can only offer the most generic advice of make sure you're happy with yourself first, you know? Don't rush into it. In my experience, I've only found the best relationships when I was confident in myself and willing to just kind of be alone for a long time, personally. As for thigh highs, they don't stay, they fall down and roll up. Well, there's always garter belts, right? That's something I've thought about having as well. And garters can be very cute as well. It's like, here, let me... Yeah, and we got that. And if it keeps rolling down, just kind of... I don't know what this is. I don't know what I'm drawing, but yeah, garters. There's also some brands of like compression sock that have more grippy texture on the inside, especially for the thigh area as well. So I'm sure some research can find that. Notorious man dating machine. I wouldn't say that. But I've definitely had my fair share of partners in life. Not an excessive amount. You know, I'm an introvert after all. I stream. It's not like I'm crazy. And personally, and this is as far as I'm gonna go, but I prefer femininity above a lot more. Let's see, solutions, any differentiable function. Oh, underclothes and underwear and bras. Well, maybe just start with a sports bra. Those don't really have a size. They're usually elastic. You can kind of get small, medium, larges. I don't know what the sizes are like where you live, but sports bras are pretty easy. It's not like there's like, wow, some huge anime style things right there, so just having something on the chest might be comforting as well. As for measuring, I think that's measuring band size. But if you want more details, there's actually a website for all sorts of women and more. It's called A Bra That Fits. That's a BRA, a bra that fits. That website should have some more information as well. Yeah, there's no need to go anything super fancy. I don't have a Discord server yet. That's the one thing I don't think I'm ready for quite yet. But I do stream most days, Tuesdays through Saturdays, around this time. Well, around, I usually start like an hour earlier than when I started, but I do stream most days around this time. From Tuesdays to Saturdays. Yeah, I got a full-time job, so I don't have the time to moderate a Discord, unfortunately. Maybe one day. That'll be cool, though. But there's definitely more Discords out there for you to experiment and talking comfortably, of varying sizes. Yep, that's pretty early. I think it's early for all of us. Well, good night, Plana. I hope you were entertained, and I hope I managed to give you some opinions. Well, just some words. Have a good night. Yes, have a good night. Thank you for stopping by. No, I don't have that. I only started streaming recently, so I don't really have that all that stuff super fancy yet. Yeah, I'm new. I can make some notes to add that for next time, though. Well, I will make sure to make it comfy and cozy for the rest of the stream to not wake you up. So have a good rest. Ooh, good night. Let's see. Seems like this part of the book is just telling me what linear equations is. And going over what exactly the solution finding process is as well. Okay, I think this is important. You can do this, yes. You got this. Good night. Thank you for the head pats. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's see, we're talking about equation 2. Oh. Oh, hello, King Stephen. King Stephen, or Stephen, whichever one you would prefer. 2001. Howdy, how are you? We're just doing some studying. Well, I'm doing some studying. Ooh, my chair's sinking. Oh, pen dropping. Yeah, for now, the Discord's a no. It's just me. So I don't have the time to manage it. That's a lot of... That's... Ooh. It's intimidating to run a Discord, too. Let's see. No general method for writing down. Let's see. I'm sure it's pretty easy. I mean, personally, I already have a few Discords for friends. But when it comes to an online community, it's just something I'm slowly dipping my toes into. My mind tells me that there's a lot of things that can go wrong with the online community, so I'm just having an abundance of caution, so don't worry about me. Oh, do I mind if you say stuff like cutie? To me, I don't personally mind at all. To other people, that is their own. That is a question they will have to answer themselves. Very cute. Let's see. So this was teaching us that, unlike previous sections, we can't just generalize an equation for a solution, but in some cases we have a general solution, only in some cases, which looks like this. Oh. Oh, an X. I hope it wasn't too bad. Oh, well, good. Finding yourself is good. Hey, some people need a little bit of extra conversation to drift off to dreamland. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. We're just kind of here relaxing, doing things at a slow, comfortable pace. So. Yeah, take the brain out like you took out the eyes earlier. Put them in some soap, maybe a nice little relaxing bubble bath. Rub it out a little bit, iron out the wrinkles, lay it down flat, relax. Alright, all this block of text I'm gonna skip. I know we got a genius on our hands. Oh my god, it's working! My grand plot. Brains are increasing. Alright, I'm just gonna read this. Y prime plus AY equals 0. A is a real constant. Solved by inspection, okay. Alright, this is just kind of walking through solving an equation in this form. Yeah, this is just solving an equation. Oh yeah, I can pause. I'm just gonna be reading here. I'm just trying to absorb this big block of text. Welcome back. Alright, so what I learned while reading is that solutions can sometimes be general solutions and representing multiple equations and graphs, which is shown here in this page. Where the answer can be multiple answers. And a lot of answers, apparently. Let's see. But what I do notice is that there's an important term here. Called an initial condition. Specifying a particular solution is equivalent to picking out a particular integral curve from the one parameter family. It is usually convenient to do this by prescribing a point so initial condition is usually just kind of point x0, y0. That's which the integral curve must pass. Such that y equals phi of x, such that phi of x naught is equal to y naught. Yeah, like I'm seeing some love, some appreciation. If you want to give head pats to me, I don't mind at all. Oh. I'm here, if you're talking to me. I'm around. Alright, now it's just taking us through another form of a linear equation. So, escape. What? Yeah, if you want to give me head pats. Oh, it's time for bed. No, that's fair. Good night, Plana. Yes, be comfy, be comfy. Thank you. Oh, well, you have a good night too. Thank you for stopping by. Well, we can both be the cutie. It's not like it's impossible for us to share it, you know. No, I'm just greedy. Does that say 3/4? Hang on. Book time. Yeah, it's definitely an old book. The pages are clearly visibly yellow, and they're definitely not as fancy as some of the more modern textbooks. Yep, that's 3/4. Now, I'll just take us through this. Oh, I thank you. It's late at night for me, so I try to be as calming and smooth as possible. That means a lot, thank you. Blushing since you joined the stream, oh. Google says you need to be eating 2,700 calories to gain muscle? That's, okay, that's... Something about that. That sounds absurd to me, personally. Yeah, if you're force feeding yourself, I don't know, maybe just like my my exercise equates to my work, so I'm not one to say, but hey, pace yourself, Ducky. That's all. That's in my opinion. As long as you pace yourself and don't burn yourself out, that's what matters the most. It can be whatever you want. It's just labels. I see. I see. Yes, good night. Good night. Thank you for calling us cute. I hope you were entertained. Thank you for stopping by us, of course. Ooh, wait, hang on. I am combining those. What have I learned so far on this stream? Let's see. I learned about linear equations, right? Linear equations are a form of differential equation that we're going to be covering, or I will be covering and learning. Well, it's pretty simple. It's just a first order, which is just working with one derivative and solving that, basically, in the form of an equation with two different variables, right? I also learned that there's no general, like, overarching general method of writing solutions, but there's a couple cases. One such case where the equation y prime plus p of x times y equals g of x applies, right? Then I think there's something I missed in the pages before. Hey, it's not like I know exactly what I'm talking about either. I'm learning this, I'm relearning this, and I'm not even a teacher. I'm just doing it for fun. I'm just going to keep going through this example, but I do have questions for myself. Is that negative? Oh, what type of math would this be? I mean, usually they teach differential equations all on their own. But if I had to put it in a bucket, and then again, I'm no expert, I'd put it in like the calculus bucket. I definitely put this more in the calculus bucket than algebra. Aha, the camera did bleach out a negative. So that is solution for any value c. Then to satisfy the problem, we substitute in, ooh, I'm out of space. It's so cramped. All right, let's see. I think I need some more. Alright, right now I got a question for myself I have to work through and try to learn. Yeah, I definitely need some water. Good point, good point. No, but what I'm curious about, and I'm going to be trying to work through in my head, is since the example I just went through, where did they get this? Thus multiplied by e to x. Is that just what you do generally, I think, maybe? So for initial conditions, if a does not equal 0, then left side of equation 10 is a combination of terms involving y and y prime. Oh, I see. Okay, I think it's something you just do generally. Because by equation 12, we can immediately solve it by integrating both sides. Rewriting, sorry, y equals c e negative ax in the form of y e to the ax equals c. Okay. Alright, so I think that's something you just do generally. We'll see if that's wrong or not in the future, but I think I got it. Okay. Hang on. Let's fix that. So I think we're almost through this. Now going back to the general first order equation. So general, I'll write this down. Equation. This seems like something important to remember. G of x. By analogy with the procedure used above, we would like to choose a function, I don't know what I forget what that is, so that if it is multiplied by the function, the left side can be written as a derivative of the single function of the chosen function times y. Okay. So just picking a u. I'm familiar with this from calculus. Can be written as the derivative of the single function u of x times y. Any epiphanies? No, not really. I think they're just kind of teaching us how to pick, because sometimes in order to solve something, we gotta just kind of pick a function to help solve. And in order to pick a function, we need to solve like, well, in order to pick a proper function, it has to be like the derivative. Or it has to be, we have to pick something good, basically. It's like, hey, pick a good function, or else you're not going to be able to solve it, I think. And then the book's just kind of telling us exactly what criteria that picked function needs to be in order to help solve. Yes, 1 plus 1 I think is pretty good, so let's just go with that usually. Oh, it's picking an integrating factor. Is the technical term, I think. Oh god. My eyes are glazing. I think I'm reaching my limit here. I'm just gonna read through this. Yeah, I think so too. I think we have been studying, well, at least I've been studying, for longer than a normal period in, like, college, so. But for next time, let's see. I want to get a better grasp on what we learned so far, so let's take a look at the problems here. Next time is going to be integrating factors and that kind of thing. But for now, I think there are problems. One, hang on. Problems 1 through 4. And then 6 and 8. I think doing those will... hang on, let's get me out of here. I think doing those will help me understand more what we learned. But honestly, I think that's enough of that for now. My brain is indeed mush. Move on to just chatting a little bit. Learning's done. Pack it up. Learning's done. No more learning. Passing period. Bell rung. It's time. Shuffle out. Walk out. Class is over. Teacher gave us homework. Not me. I'm not the teacher. I just the book is the teacher or professor. Yes. Wow, that, doing math on stream is a thing. It's definitely a thing that we're doing, but I'm actually having fun with it. Let's grab some water. Honestly though, definitely think it's time to relax a little bit. I've learned though, watch out, I've learned stuff. Let's change the stream title. Let's do post-studying. There we go. Oh my goodness, last time, yesterday, well I say last time, it was more like yesterday. I completely forgot to change the category of the stream from just chatting. And it was in just chatting the whole time we were playing the game. The whole time. I felt so stupid when I realized that. I'm like, no wonder we got people coming in and being like, hey, they were literally seeing some random person play a game in the just chatting category. I'm pretty sure the one we were playing does. The room 3 definitely has a category. Let me put my drawing tablet to the side. Get out of here. Let's see. What do we do to relax? Oh, wait. I know exactly what. Just watching it. I know exactly what I want to do for a little bit. Just for a little bit, because I know this type of game. I know myself, and I know I can get sucked into this type of game for way too long, but just a little bit. Ooh, let's shrink myself down a little bit. And then let's just play a little bit of like factory sorting games. Just for a little bit while we round out the time. Oh, shapes with the Z. There we go. Let's just watch. Ooh. Yeah, let's just. We can just watch circles go into a square. Now we need more. Oh. No, it's not Factorio, it's shapes. Completely different game, obviously. No idea what you're talking about. Unlike Factorio, it's this is like extremely chill in my opinion. And now I just wait. No bugs, no anything, just watching shapes kind of drift into a square. Yeah, Factorio does have bugs. No, those are ugly ones. Celtis are more cute. They're like the evil alien bugs. I'll play Factorio, maybe this week. Okay, you know what? I don't want to do tutorial. What I want to do... I don't want to waste time with these silly upgrades. Here we go. An old save. No, I didn't really work today, actually. For various reasons, I've taken today off. Let's see, what do we want to make, like some funky looking shapes? I just want to make some funky looking shapes. Oh, no. Okay, then I want to rotate this one. And this one. Alright, now we got like pizza slices going. And what we can do, we can just make them green because I feel like it. Maybe not green, maybe blue. Yeah, pizza slices, yippee! I'll just store those. But yeah, you can see like what I've done on this save. It's not compacted. But lots of like, I don't know, I feel like this could be more efficient for sure. Let's see, do we even have like some more complicated machines? Not really. Oh, this part's probably complicated. This is probably one of my more condensed machines. All this does is produce these squares. I don't know why it's producing these. And it's kind of doing it on its own. I don't know why. Something with this. This is just jammed up though. Because it's completely full. Okay. This is also completely full. This is still going. Let's go back to our pizzas though. Because we can basically cut up any of these shapes and put them in a shape that we want, really. So what I could do... I wonder what happens if I just kind of take them. Oh. Okay, if I just put more of them on top of each other, it doesn't do much. What if I split, rotate, split, rotate, and merge again. Yeah, I like that. And you know what, let's grab these squares. Oh wait, I have a different variant, so I can just kind of cut all these in half. It's time? No, that's fair. That is fair. Honestly, it's probably time I go as well. Oops. Yeah, you know what? I think we relaxed after shortest gameplay ever. Yeah, I mean, I'll probably keep going a little bit longer, but my brain is toasted. A mystery guest. Ooh, it could be anyone. We've had lots of people, lots of new people coming in the past 2 days, which is crazy. I can hardly believe I'm already at 15 followers. That's crazy. Now let me change the category. Change the category while I wind down. Yes, haha, let us change to just chatting so I can hide amongst the big streamers. I know, it's crazy that 15 people found me charming. I can barely imagine it. 15 people, it's crazy. And I'm like just starting, it's so cool. I'm happy that people are enjoying me just existing, you know? It's cool. Makes me want to keep going too. I feel bad though. I played that game for like 5 minutes and then I was like, I don't want to do it anymore. I'll probably play more, maybe Factorio tomorrow. What do I even have in my schedule? Let's see. Oh, yep, Factorio. Maybe we'll do shapes instead, but Factorio, yeah, I think I'm in a factory game itch right now. I'm gonna do that. That's the name. That's the name of the game. It's Shapes with a Z. It's basically like a Factorio kind of game, but in my mind, it's like a little less complicated. Where Factorio focuses like a little bit on more on aesthetics. Shapes is like, let's take this gameplay and distill it into the most basic things that we can, just for the pure dopamine of making a factory. It's like they distill the essence of a Factorio type of game, and they're like, let's just concentrate it and make it even more dopamine per dopamine, I guess. I don't want to say it's simplified, because I feel like that's rude to the game. Hey, I'm already... oh, wow, my voice is... I mean, I'm already dopamine deficient, so, you know, a little bit more never hurts, right? Always need more. We can always use more dopamine, at least I can. And hey, I'm proud of myself because that was the most restraint with that kind of game I've ever had, because I've opened that game before, and like Factorio style games, I've opened them, and I've thought maybe like 15 minutes, and then flash forward, it's now morning, it's 8 hours later, and I've been playing it for the whole time. This time my ADHD won, so I'm safe for now. I do want to play Monster Hunter though. Oh, I'm split. Maybe I'll do both. Maybe I'll do Monster Hunter and I'll do Shapes tomorrow. Or Shapes / Factorio. Make 3 factories at once. Get Factorio, get Shapes, also like download a Minecraft mod in like what? Tekkit. Download Tekkit from back in the day. Get Buildcraft going. Have pipes everywhere. Maybe get Satisfactory for a whopping 4 different factory games. Minecraft? What? I was... Listen. I've been around, right? I've been around the block when it comes to games. And a while back, a long time ago, Minecraft mods were basically the only place you could get that kind of factory game experience. like legit. Like I feel like the factory game kinda just came from Minecraft mods. I don't know for sure. Uh, but the aesthetic of like making a factory, having things going everywhere on conveyor belts and machines and assemblers, very much I was introduced to only by Minecraft, certain Minecraft mods and pipes. It's probably very old Minecraft playthroughs at now. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Satisfactory was inspired by those mods. Alright, let's see. Satisfactory inspiration. I don't know. But yes, Satisfactory is like one of those too. But wow, that was a while ago. Tekkit? Buildcraft? Alright, well, I will be here. I'll probably just chill for a little bit longer and then end stream as well. But I appreciate you sticking by, you know, because I'm almost at an hour and a half, which is my normal time anyways. So I'll go about 15 more minutes, I'll chat, maybe play some games. But you sleep well, Ducky. Thank you for everything as always. I'm at 2 hours and 12 minutes on my stream timer. I did. Well, it's because you're going, and you're like, it's you. It was a wink, it was a wink. Damn, the jazz really does help just kind of chill out anyone stopping by. It's great, I love it. Winks for both eyes, I love that too. Well, don't worry about me, I'll be here, just chilling. You're not gonna be missing much. I will see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Ducky. Rest well. All right. I do have 15 minutes. And I think the best way to spend those 15 minutes is going back to shapes. I just want to see number go up. What can I say? Number go up. 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 Number must go up. I'll put myself even more in the corner. Number go up. Number go up. Number go up. What is this star? Oh, we can upgrade stuff. I forgot. I think right now the best thing to do is just kind of input all the easy stuff as much as I can. Let's fix that. There we go. Yes, we need more squares. Oh, and we got... Okay, we need bottom... Don't we have bottom half circles being made? No, technically we don't. Okay, so maybe we just cut it. Okay, so it doesn't change the orientation at all. So we'll just keep the circles coming. Oh, but we need the stars. Is there stars anywhere nearby? Some right there. This is such an easy way to spend 15 minutes. Let's see. Yes, give me... Oh, no! Shit, okay. Okay, it's fixed. Let's get all the easy stuff streaming in so we can get those upgrades, people. Okay, no painting yet, so that means we need to upgrade. We need to do quests. What we need to get half of those. Left half or right half? No, it's the right half. We can trash that. That's 5, and that's 1, so we can just consolidate it to 1, I think. 1 output. Should be just as fast. Wait, connect. There we go. Now we rub our hands together and watch it go in. Alright, now we need... Do we have everything unlocked yet? No. I just want everything unlocked. Okay, it's good to have these base ones going still. What I don't really need though... Well, I can keep that rectangle going. Honestly, I can always get more base things, but what I want now... Just upgrades. Let's see. There There we go. Yes, quest progression. Can I just kind of copy paste this? Oh, nope. Let's make it more compact. Damn it, I don't have the blueprints yet. Damn it, okay, fine. Alright, so now I need... Wait, if I just kind of hook up the same thing... Because I don't need that right now. Alright, what do we get if we just cut that up again? There we go. Alright, now we're just kind of let the buffer work itself out a little bit, stabilize. Meanwhile, number go up. Number must go up. I love this. This is so hypnotic. Ooh, wait, once I unlock some storage, I can focus on just storing some older stuff, so I don't have to worry about it too much. I can just store the components. Oof. Big gulps, big gulps. Yes, painting unlocked, finally, okay. Now I need blue. Where's blue? Oh, it's all the way over here. Oop, oopsie. Painting's pretty slow. It's about... Well, hello, Tech Master. It's not math right now, but it was math earlier. I'm just kind of relaxing after the fact. No, this is not the math. This is not the math. The math was earlier. I can scare you with it though. Boo! But what's that? It's graph! Oh, oops. I think 3 of those, which is like about 6.6 items per second. And it's still gonna be slow. I'll just start with 1. Nah, I'm just trying to get all the basic tiers I'm just kind of relaxing. I can make the research shape. It's just red and circles, but I'm not doing that yet. I want to get at least all these upgrades to tier 1 first, before I make any big factories. Although I would want counterclockwise rotating, that would make my life easier. Not yet though, not yet. Oh, man. Pretty says to yeah. I don't have T. I don't have the powers of T unlocked yet. Placing. Yeah, I can't wait to unlock schematics on this save. That'll be fun. Also, punishment stacks. Whenever I mess up in various things, there's going to be times where I give myself, or maybe the chat decides to give me a punishment stack if I mess up, like missing a stream or fail a goal of some sort. And I have a little bit of a list of what I can do, but when I have enough, or if I have one, a chat member, aka you, can come in, and if you have an idea for what to punish me with, you can spend one of those points. And I do it. Well, of course it requires my approval to do. Some things I can't do, some things I can. But yes, I got 2 of them, because I missed stream last week. Because I slept. Well, nothing that simple. Things like, let's say if I set a goal to like get 5k of one shape in an hour, and I fail that, then I would get a punishment stack. I'm not saying I'm doing that right now, but. Or if, let's say, I sleep through a stream, right? I miss a stream because I overslept. That would be a punishment stack as well. Ooh, upgrades. What? My mouse died. There we go. It's mostly like if I mess up like a goal, or I miss a stream, or like I don't do homework, or I do something bad. The belt planner? You mean like just by holding shift? Like that? Yeah, I do that. I was just having fun freehanding it. That's it. It's gone now. God, these painters are slow. I know they're taking their time, they probably need to do multiple coats. I got 600 of those things to make though, and I'm too lazy to make a system for it. Well, I say two. Oh wait. Probably help if I connect 2. I could probably lay something out to make it more efficiently, so let's do this. Ooh, a little tip? Sure, if you have one. I'll take anything in this game. Saturating belts? Oh yeah, saturating belts. That makes sense. Because you probably only have like so many slots to put in the, right? Oh, okay, a belt at the speed of a belt. For the painter, it's 6. Is that saturating inputs or outputs? Output. Ah, okay. So that means probably at this rate. I can't, it's gonna be harder to split it odd, but I think I can make it work. I'm like, I love learning. That's like the whole point of me. I think. Oh, come on. Am I double tapping? I love learning. I love learning any chance I can get, honestly. Especially in games that are not my main wheelhouse. Gonna move that. Let's see. Oop, too zoomed out. Okay. I also just love setting little factories up too. Okay, now we got that set up. The main problem right now is how to lay out the feeding. We'll just see how it goes connecting it like this for now. Copy you. I just want to try out the output with 4 for now, for the time being. That'll make the math a little easier. Oh, oops, hang on. There we go. And of course I delete that. Okay, fix that. And of course I deleted that input, so let's fix that. And then since I don't think splitters are limiting me right now at all. Yeah, they're 6. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, that's just the buffer working through. But honestly, this is a little slow. So we'll just put that there. And honestly, we could probably put another, probably split off half of that. And stick that in there too. What's the speed? Okay, that... If it's 0.6, that makes sense why I'm limited by that right now. But let's wait to see if the internal buffers of the painters fill up. I think they will at this rate. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna do 2 extractors. Let's just make this faster. It's not like we can kill the planet by wasting resources in this game, so it should be fine. Oh wait, I'm a bad streamer. Tagmaster, you followed! Thank you! I'm honored that you chose to stick around. There we go. Now the paint buffer is filling up. There is a big 2 up there. I could do it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it. For some reason I wanted to wait and like get them all at once, but I don't think there's a point right now. Yeah, well, not the punishment, the one in the star. I got you, I think. Can I stack them yet? Because, spoilers, this is not my first save file. Can I stack them? I don't think so. But now they are 0.8. And a modded version? I didn't even know they made mods for this game. To me, this is just like a chill version of more other factory games. I mean, that's good. I'm sure there's a lot of plot in this game that needs explaining, right? Lots of plot. Oh, there's this. Let's delete that. Alright. The biggest thing, I think, is going to be setting up cyan. Setting up colors and then dyeing is always, in my mind, a big bottleneck in factories. I don't even have it yet. Okay, so but first, let's not get too excited. I need red circles. All right, red circles. I think this area works. This area's closer, that could work. Alright, let's just set that up. Set up some passive income of the squares. And what I can do... I'll just make this one as well. There we go. All right. Let's see. So I know saturating the belt. My belts are... So we learned that we want 6. Okay, let's study this. Okay, I can get away with those being only 1 apart. I think having 1 extractor per painter should be fine. No need to go too fancy. Because these paint at 0.5 and these extract at 0.8, that's fine. Alright, let's check output with this. Is it the most beautiful thing? No, but I like it. Nice. Number go up, number go up. I rub my hands together. Honestly, with this rate, is this a thing? I know I don't need this. I only need it for progression, so I'll just wait it out. If I needed it for upgrades, I would just make it more. Color mixer, there we go. All right, maybe I'll keep that red circle going for now. I don't need to improve it. But if the mixer, oh, where's my mouse? There we go. Mixer's 0.6. Painter's 0.5. But if I want to match the output of an extractor, matching the output of an extractor at 0.8 with 0.6. Ugh, I don't want to do that right now. I did enough math earlier. I just don't need 2 to match the rough to at least match one extractor. Is the red and blue closer to each other? Not in particular. I guess this is my best chance. I wonder, I could probably half each of these, still be saturated. Who knows? Maybe I think 4 should be enough to saturate 6 painters. Wait, so I think this goes to here, this goes to here, then this goes to, okay, so I think that works. Alright, that works. That works. Alright, now we need the circles. I should just be able to plug this in then. Alright, let's see if how that balances out. Maybe. Oh wait, I got bar graphs. Alright, so that's pretty close to my belt speed, which is 3. Let me just do the same thing again. Nope. Damn, I'm using these tunnels religiously right now. Okay, back that down. There we go. That sped us up by 0.3. That's alright. Oh, now we're up to... Okay, now we're up to 3. Good, that's a saturated belt. For now, at least. Probably go down when the buffer goes down. I can tell this is getting eaten a little fast. Oh my god, oh shit. Okay. I just saw the time. Oh no. All right. New jazz video, if anyone doesn't know. Usually don't play jazz the whole way through the stream, but this time I did. Oops. But jazz means either start or end. I have to go to bed. It is AMs for me right now. Holy cow, this game makes the time pass so quickly. I know, it's disappointing, it's so sad. Yeah, thank you for lurking, thank you for stopping by. I don't even know who to raid. I'm just doing my own little thing here. I'm too nervous to raid anyone. I'm working myself up to it, eventually. Is there a shapes guy? Oh god, this will be my first raid. Maybe not tonight. Maybe not tonight. I think I think tonight I just need to go straight to bed. Thank you, Techmaster, for stopping by. One of these days, I'll do a raid. Not yet. I'm too nervous to do it. But my usual sign off is, even if you think there's no one thinking about you out there, you know, well, you're wrong, because you can consider tonight at least I'm thinking about you. So don't go anywhere. And if you had a good time, stick around, come back, enjoy the stream. But have a good night. I'll have fun studying next week. Oh, wrong one. Ah. Bye-bye. Bye. Thank you for coming.